Hello, how you doing? So we've got some noodles on the go with chicken chow mein. Really simple. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, this is really straightforward. Noodles. Now your noodles, you can get different types of noodles. My ones require you to soak them in warm water just for a couple of minutes, but read the packet on your noodles because some will require you to boil them depending on the ones you've got. I've got 3 cups there. I've got here like 125 grams of white mushrooms that I've quartered, 1 chicken breast which I've cut nice and thin, 1 cup of onion, half a cup of soy sauce. I'm using a light soy sauce. Go ahead and use dark if you want. 1 tablespoon garlic. Let's get to the wok. So wok or large skillet that you can throw this all around in, high heat. I've got oil in there. I'm using a corn oil. You can use corn, sunflower, something like that. I've got 3 tablespoons of oil there. We're going to start off by dropping in 1 cup of onion sliced. 1 tablespoon of chopped garlic. If you wanted, you could be adding some ginger to this. If you're going to do that, do it right now. 1 chicken breast. No skin, no bone, cut nice and thin. Just want to grab here a little bit of black pepper. I'm not going to be adding salt to this because the amount of soy that's going to go in covers that, I think. Soy sauce is very salty. 4 minutes, high heat, keep it moving. Very simply, we're now going to drop in those mushrooms that I've quartered. If you want, you can slice them, I suppose. We're going to go for another 3 minutes on this high heat. It's about 3 minutes there. Now time for the soy. The soy sauce goes in. Half a cup of the light soy. 3 minutes, high heat. Keep it moving. We want that to evaporate out slightly. So the soy is just evaporating out a little bit, as you can see. Now time to add our noodles. Like I say, my noodles required me to soak them just for 2 to 3 minutes in warm water. Check the packet of your ones. We're now going to go for 4 minutes, high heat, spinning this around. You can see already what's happened in there. I don't want it too wet at all. See you in a moment. Okay, off goes the heat. Job done. Beautiful. All right, and there you go. Bit of a classic style of chicken chow mein. Hope you enjoyed that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love.